Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear friends. I am Abbas with you. So let's try to understand again our division method questions. From many days, we are talking about the division questions, and we are dividing some division question by different ways. We are making the parts of the question. We are also dividing the division question by a simple method, yani कि long division methods. I will solve this question by two ways, and you can follow any one methods. But inside, what we will do in our lesson today, three or more four digits will be the dividend, and the divisor will be how many numbers? Two numbers. So we can say this number is three numbers, so it's mean our dividend is three digits and our divisor is two numbers. Let's try to make it the first part. For example, I have 300, then dividing by 12. I want to make the two parts of the 300. That part must be dividable by the 12. So for example, I can write here 180. Then I write here also plus, for example, 120. If I will plus 180 and 120, it will be equal to 300. And we are dividing with what? 12. So it's mean I will divide this with the 12, and I will also divide with the 12. 180 dividing by 12, yani if you will draw one small house, inside the house will be 180, outside the house will be 12. If you will divide this, it will give to you, for example, I will also draw here 18, 180 dividing by 12. 12 one time equal 12. We can minus it 6, then I bring down 0. 12 multiplied by 5 equal 60. So they are equal to 0. So what is my answer? So I can write here 15. Then I can also divide 120 with the help of 12. It will give to me, for example, 10. If I will plus both of them, they will be equal to 25. So it's mean I can write here 25. This is the first way, by making the parts. The second way is long division method. In long division method, 300 inside the house. What is dividend? Divisor 12. So dividing by 12. There is a 30. For example, we will do by step 3. 3 is smaller than 12. I want to make it bigger than 12, so I join with the 30. So I will count the table of 12. 12 times 1 equal 12. 12 times 2 equal to 24. 12 times 3 will be equal to 36. 36 will be bigger, so we will choose 2. 12 times 2 equal 24. If we will minus it, take borrow from the 3, it will become 10. 10 minus 4 equal 6. Then there is 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then I bring down 0. 12 multiplied by 5 equal 60. You can see by first method our answer is 25, and by second method our answer is also 25. So it's mean our question is correct. You can use this method or you can use this method. Both methods are 100% correct. Let's try with another questions. For example, I have 315 dividing by 15. I will make the part of this question. Then the other question I will solve with the division method. So I have 315 dividing by 15. Very easy. I can make here, for example, 300. Then plus how much left? 15. I write here 15. I can divide by 15. I can also divide by 15. Draw here small house. Inside the house 300. Outside the house is 15. 12, 15 multiplied by 2 equal 30. 0. Then I bring down 0. I need 0 in the table of 15. 15 times 1 equal 15, bigger than 0. So it's mean what is smaller number than 1? 0. So 15 times 0 equal 0. So I put here 0. So it's mean if I divide 300 with the help of 15, it is equal to 20. If we will divide 15 with the help of 15, it will give to me 1. If we will plus it, it will equal to 21. So I can write here 21. If you will use the other method, the answer will be same. Let's try a long division method in this question. 672 inside the house and 16 is outside the house. This always called as divisor and this always called as dividend. Dividend is always inside the house, divisor is always outside the house. Let's try step by step. 6. 6 is smaller than 16. So I need bigger number, I join it. So what I need the table of 16. Let's try to calculate the table of 16. 16 multiplied by 1 equal 16. 16 multiplied by 2 equal 32. 16 multiplied by 3 equal 48. 16 multiplied by 4 equal 64. 16 multiplied by 5 equal 80. Let's see, we will try to find out the number. I need 67. I will search there. 67 is available? No. But what is close to 67 or less than 67? 64. I circle it. 16. 16 already available. What is the next number? 4. I will write here 4. What is the last number after equal? 64. So I can write it 64. 7 minus 4 equal 3. 6 minus 6 equals 0. No need to write. Then I bring down 2. Now it is 32. I will find in my table. I already wrote the table. If is there 32 available? Yes. I circle it. 16. 16 is already. What is the next number? 2. I write here 2. What is after equal? 32. So I can write here 32. Very easy to divide like this. So 0. What is here? 42. So I can write here 42. This was the division with the three numbers with the dividend. If the three numbers with the dividend, we can use this method. We can also use this method. Both methods are correct. Let's try if dividend have more than three numbers, yani 4 numbers. So these are two examples when we have more than more than 4 digits of the dividend. For example, you can also see this question 1092, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. And divisor is how many digits? 2 digits. So you can use both method. You can make the parts. You can also make divide by normal divide, yani कि long division method. This question I will use pattern method, yani कि parts method, and in this question I will try to use long division methods. This is 1092. So if I will make like that, 1040, then plus the other number is, for example, 52. If I will plus both of them, it will be equal to this. I need to divide both number by 26, 26. If you don't know how to make the parts, I will also let you know after some time how to make the parts. First, let's complete it. So I will write inside the house what? 1040. Outside the house, 26. It's mean I need the table of 26. 26 time, for example, 4. How much? 6 multiplied by 4 equal 24. 4 is our carry here. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 plus 2 equal 10. This is complete 104. So I can minus it. It gave me 0. Then I bring down this 0. I need 0 in the table of 26. 26 times 1 equal 26. Bigger. So it's mean what is less than number 1? 0. 26 times 0 equal 0. So it's mean if we will divide this number with 26, it will give me 40. Then plus 52 dividing by 26. Yani 26 times 1 equal 26. 26 times 2 equal 52. It means it is here 2. So that is equal to 42. I can write here 42. Let's try the other question by long division method. I draw here one house. Inside the house is 1222. Then outside the house is 47. I need the table of 47. I can write here 47 table. 47 multiplied 1 equal 47. 47 times 2 equal 94. 47 multiplied by 3 equal 3 times 7 equal 21. 2 carry. 3 times 4 12. 12 plus 2 equal 141. So you can see which number is suitable. 94 or 140. We need 122. There is no 122. So it's mean this is more close or less. So I can choose here 2. I can write here only 94. Don't write 9 under the 1 because this is 10th. This is 1s. This is 10. So 1 must be under the 1 and 10 must be under the 10. So let's try to minus it. 2 is smaller than 4. I take borrow from here. It will become 1 and it is 12. 12 minus 8 equal 12 minus 4 equal 8. Then this is 1. I take borrow again here 0. This become 11. 11 minus 9 equal 2. Then I bring down 2. Now this is 282. This is 47. In the table of 47, I need 282. I can continue with 4, 5, 6 like that. For example, I write here 47 multiplied by 6. 6 times 7, 42. 2 is here, 4 is on the carry. 6 times 4, 24. Plus 4, 28. So it's mean this is perfect number by 6. We can write here 282. Later on we can minus them. What is the answer? 26. So we can write here 26. So this was all about division. If we have 3 numbers or more than 3 number inside the house, or we have 2 or 3 or more than 3 numbers as dividend and 2 number as divisor. So we can use 2 methods. We can use pattern method. This is called pattern method or a parts method, and this is called a long division method. You can use any method. Both methods are acceptable. Both methods are correct. In the beginning, I said to you, if you don't know how to make the parts, it is also very easy to make the parts. First of all, divide this number with this number. What is your answer? For example, 42. Then 42 first number, yani 40, I make it to part of the 42 also. Yani I make like that 40 plus 2. I multiplied 40 with the 26. He gave me this number. Then I multiplied 2 with 26. He gave me this number. If 40 multiplied 26, I write this dividing by 26. 2 multiplied by 26 equal 52. I am dividing by 26. You can also use this method for making the parts. Thank you very much for joining our class. Hopefully everyone is understanding very well. I am sure everyone will subscribe our channel and also give the comments, share our channel, subscribe our channel, and also try to push the bell icon button so you can find our any kind of video which we are posting into our class live. Thank you very much from me and from Mr. Habib. See you tomorrow again.